Ay, no mames, güey. No mames, cabrón, me mama eso. No estés mamando. ¿Qué tal? Hola a todos. What's up, guys? Levi here with Latino Fluency, where I teach you real conversational Latino Spanish. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 uses of the word mamar in Mexican Spanish. Very, very important, essential stuff here, guys. Make sure to watch all the way to the end of the video. You don't want to miss any of these. If you're trying to focus on learning Mexican Spanish primarily, you have to know these expressions because you will hear them constantly. Even if you're not using them constantly in your own speaking, you must understand what they mean because Mexicans love to use the word mamar. Hola. ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo estás?
Hola.
What's up, guys? So I just picked up Reni. You guys might remember her from previous videos. How's it going?
Hello.
So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 ways to use the word mamar in Mexican Spanish. And actually, Reni is going to help me out because she is the only qualified Mexican here in the car. I'm just a gringo fan of Mexican Spanish. She is the real deal. So the first way to use the word mamar is in the following way, and it is just literally, ¿qué significa el verbo mamar?
Why don't you explain that?
Okay, so mamar, the verb to mamar is just to suck in general, but it doesn't have to be in a perverted sense, right? It can be in a...
The way we're going to use it is not in a literal way. It's how we normally say it with friends. Yeah,
but just know that the word, the base verb of mamar technically is to suck, and you can use it in all the ways that you can possibly imagine. So, so the second way to use the verb mamar, give us the expression. How do we use mamar in Mexican Spanish?
Well, the most common is no mames. Everybody says no mames.
Okay, and what does no mames mean? How would you explain no mames to somebody?
Like, are you kidding me?
Yeah, that's a good way to think about it. Like, are you kidding me? Or it's called, sometimes it's like, get the fuck out of here, or it's something like that. It can be
surprise. Like,
it's like surprise.
Yeah. Or when you're, like, if you're getting tired of something, like, for example, if Levi is bothering me a lot, I would just say, no mames.
Yeah. So, no mames is a very Mexican expression. You hear it constantly used in different ways. Honestly, this expression could be its own video, which that just gave me the idea. I probably will make this expression its own video. But just know that...
Because you can use it in a lot of ways.
You can use it in a lot of ways. And you can also pretty much use it when you're talking about surprise, or you're telling somebody, like, in a vulgar way, like, get the hell out of here, get the fuck out of here, something like that. So just know that you can use it in those ways, and it is a vulgar expression, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the third way to use mamar in Mexican Spanish is, how would you use it in a third way?
Me mama.
Me mama.
Which is, I like it a lot.
Okay.
Like, me mama esa canción. I really like that song.
Okay. Me mama esa canción, me mama esa banda.
Whatever is, I really like.
Okay. So basically you're using the direct pronoun of me to link mama to myself, okay? So mama is referring to the third person, right? Third person singular. So could you use it as like me maman if you're talking about like something plural?
Yeah, you could say me maman.
Okay.
It's a band. Me maman esos vatos.
Me maman esos vatos. Me maman esas películas.
Yeah.
De Tarantino or something like that.
Yeah, you can use it in plural.
Okay.
Single mama, plural maman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So the fourth way to use mamar in Mexican Spanish, what would it be?
Mamón.
Mamón. Okay, ¿y qué significa mamón? ¿Qué es un mamón?
That's describing how a person is. It's that person. How would you say it? Is that you're describing how a person is.
Okay.
So when you're a mamón, it's like you're an asshole, pretty much an asshole.
Yeah. So if you call somebody a mamón, or if somebody calls you a mamón, they're calling you an asshole, a bad person, kind of a mean person, right?
Like when Levi is bothering me, I will tell him, no seas mamón.
Yeah, so I'm bothering her. No seas mamón. Deja de ser un mamón.
Yeah. Deja de ser un mamón. Stop being an asshole.
Yeah. Well, you hear this word all the time in Mexican Spanish. If you're either directly to you or they're talking about somebody else that they know. Okay, ese güey es un mamón, es un mamón. Or if you're talking about a girl, you can call her a mamona, right?
Yeah.
Mamona. Okay. So, ella es una mamona. Or it's a guy, es un mamón. Okay, and the fifth and final way to use mamar in Mexican Spanish is
no te mames.
Okay. No te mames. So, no te mames is what?
It's like when you're going over the edge on something. Like, for example, if Levi is bothering me and he's crossing that line, I would be like, hey, no te mames. Like, he's crossing that line, bothering me a little bit more. So it's basically, hey, stop, don't cross that line. No te mames.
This is actually the only one out of this group of ways to use mamar that I never use. I didn't know this. So if somebody is like going too far or bothering too much or doing something excessively, then you would say no te mames.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's basically don't cross the line. No te mames.
Okay.
Don't cross the line.
So in this sense, we're kind of using the word mamar in a reflexive sense. So you're going to use the pronoun te along with mamar, okay? But you're saying no te mames.
Yeah.
Okay? So basically it's like don't suck yourself.
Which literally makes zero sense, but yeah.
Yeah, so keep that in mind. With all of these expressions, with mamar, they do not make any literal sense whatsoever. Only the verb by itself, which means to suck, mamar, you can use that in a multitude of ways, but the rest of the expressions tied to mamar make zero sense literally. So just understand that they all depend on the context and they are all, idiom expressions. Bueno chicos, muchas gracias de nuevo. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or doubts. I'm happy to give you more examples, to answer any of your questions. And as always, if you like this video, subscribe. It helps me know that you're liking the content, and it helps Google, YouTube know that you want to see more of this as well. So I will see you guys in the very next video. Hasta pronto. Nos vemos luego. Bye.